Welcome to Libresva Tech Clips. I'm Jenny, and today we are going to talk about the whaling protection. Whaling protection was created to protect those in the company who have a key role, C-level. All incoming messages are therefore checked against the addresses in the whaling table. If the sender's address or name is matched to any records, the email is blocked due to possible spoofing. Inserting a record into impersonation protection is very simple. Go to Content Analysis, arrow, Impersonation Protection, and a table will appear containing all the addresses you want to protect. Click the New button to insert a new record. Next, you'll need to enter the name of the user you want to protect and their email address. After saving, remember to click the Apply Pending Changes button to make the changes you just made take effect. If a user in the whaling table wishes to write from an alternative email address that could trigger the rule, such as their personal address, then this address must be added to a welcome list so that when the message arrives, it will be delivered without any intervention from whaling protection.